Welcome to stage 2 of the Rainmaker Rollercoaster hosted by Hot Chili. Today is just over 100 Ks, hopefully less technical than yesterday. Your bicycle's making a noise, Captain.
It's not making a noise, it's singing. It's a little bird chirp. What it is, it's the mating call of the guinea fowl. The cook said we ran out of food last night, so if I can attract a few guinea fowl into some spokes, we can put it in the poiki pot and throw in some onions and some carrots and some beans. We're all set for dinner tonight.
And that's why your brake is rubbing.
That's why I've just feathered it on.
Not a bad place to stop and have a break. Saki the farmer's here. He rode up on a quad bike, which is probably easier. We just rode through this field. I couldn't get any footage because it was so bumpy. And there were just rocks, like polished rocks everywhere. We have no idea how they got there, but yeah, I fell off.
This rookie looks like he has strong legs when he... Strong man.
Yeah. Hey, did you get the marshmallows?
Excuse me, mate. Sven, did you put all those rocks there?
Yeah. Do you know how hard it is to prepare the course? So the previous time when we recce'd this, we started from another start point.
Yeah.
To get to this point took us 3.5 hours, so we realised it wasn't going to work.
It was tarmac, but we just put a load of earth on there, some stones for us.
Jesus, man.
Yeah. I thought it was, no, it's not a quad bike.
So the group is now naturally split up. We're onto some more compact gravel, so hopefully we can cover a little bit more ground now. We've been cycling about 2 hours. It's getting hot. We've hit about 30 already, and it's only about 8:30.
Once you've had it, you don't want to change back.
Alright, okay. Didn't know that. Oh, you see, the seat post is like a shock absorber as well.
Yeah, these guys, they're basically riding mountain bikes. It's completely unfair.
Absolutely cheating, these
Check
guys,
that.
boys.
Yeah.
Day 2 at Rainmaker. Holy shit, the descents. That is why we gravel ride, people. It's fucking awesome. My bug was like flying in my ear.
Yeah, I had a bug in my helmet earlier.
Holy shit.
And we also had a spider in the shower
I've
room.
never had that before. That's just horrible. Diving into my brain.
It's just...
Black Mirror.
Was that the Alpe d'Huez?
That was Alpe d'Huez.
Okay, so we're in the South African Alpe d'Huez.
The best part of it is the guys at the bottom are saying, you know, this is really not too steep or too bad. And then they can't see the guys walking further up. So.
It's a long old walk.
That is a long old walk.
I'm glad I stayed on. So that's the South African Alpe d'Huez. Harder than actual Alpe d'Huez. Oh, for a long way harder, mate. What's been happening? Yanni, what's happening?
Well, you know, I don't know. I'm very, very worried. I've ridden a lot of Hot Chili events, and this is the first one I've seen where Captain got his pantyhose caught in his derailleur. But at least he's not walking now. But he was walking.
He got back on just around the corner, so it looks like he...
Sad to see it.
Captain, how was that?
That was solid.
It's good.
Not cold.
Pretty scotcho.
There was this time where we were riding to Las Vegas.
Yeah.
And we went through a place called Kelso.
Okay.
And we nearly died. We invented a scale called the Kelsometer. I reckon this is about a 6.
6 out of what? What does it get up to?
10.
10. 4. Goes up to 4.
Onwards.
Pretty damn hot. Yeah, man.
Bonkers, kid.
Oh, it's brilliant and I love it.
One of the ones jumping out of the... Is that a Star Wars one?
You're a stunt woman.
Yes.
Yeah, this is Flo doing stunt woman
You
stuff.
remind me not to piss her off.
I can jump from the back of the truck down to the ground. And
Well, what you guys are doing is, for me, like amazing. Such a big stunt.
You got some good origami moves. You could fold me into a paper swan.
It's a black belt in origami, mate. Black belt.
Like a pencil.
Good sign.
Yeah, I stopped sweating as well. We've got about 13 kilometres to go. Not quite as hilly as the last bit.
Powerade.
Thank God. It's like these Hot Chili flat rides end up with like 4,000 metres of climbing.
Just smashing along in South Africa, as you do.
Home run now, mate. Home run. It's a bit windy.
afternoon.
Hello, that was fun.
Good. You. Jesus, Dan, you're strong.
What's that?
You're strong.
Strong.
Oh, goodness.
Strong guy.
Oh.
You're strong as well, Charlotte.
Yes, I am.
Get them
I'm
guns.
An arm wrestle again.
So this is my favourite type of gravel. The ride after back to the campsite. Solid 6 hours on the bike. Legs are smashed. Arms are smashed. Time for some food. What have you done, you bellend?
I think it's your fault actually.
Why is my fault?
Well, I think you must have put a knife in my tyre about 500 metres from home. And I could just hear it go. Yeah, something went psh, but it's sealed. Tubeless. It's magnificent.
Drive a bit more smoothly.
Better and better.
Danny, are you sure that we came down off the main road at the right
I
one?
promise you we're nearly there.
Let's try left, because we came from the right.
No, it's definitely it's the next one.
Yeah.
I've got a bit.
Christ!
You're my friend.
What, Lawrence?
Is his name Lawrence?
Yeah, all dogs called Lawrence.
Oh, okay. Julian.
So we've just
Dog
checked into our B&B. There's a very, very cute dog there. And also a massive one that looks like it's going to kill us.
No, I'm just saying how much you love a dog.
I do love dogs. We're now heading back to the school where the HQ is for the best part of the day, dinner.
Thank you to Yanni for looking after me, because I had a bit of a turn today and got myself a bit dehydrated and got quite dizzy on the bike, and that's I think when I clocked my maximum speed on descending because I'd fallen asleep. But on a serious note, look after each other.
Hey, Captain.
Hey Francis, how are you? I like my theme song actually.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I do like it. It's I like your sense of humour.
Could I have a 10-second synopsis, please?
You can absolutely have a 10-second synopsis. Today was a pretty tough day actually. So we had a bit of technical gravel, but then we hit district road, so it was proper gravel riding. However, we had to go over a couple of mountain passes, and the hills were really steep and punchy. And the temperature soared, so we fried. A few of us fried out there. Maximum speed 77.7 kilometres an hour on one of the descents, so someone let it run. Might have been me. We're all here safe in Riversdale. Beautiful, absolutely stunning place, and the mountains are cradling us all around, and we go over the pass tomorrow and we end up in the baby Karoo, so it should be kind of cool. And we're staying in a zoo.
Oh.
More to follow.
Tomorrow's going to be just as hard as today, isn't it?
Tomorrow actually is pretty solid, yeah. We've got,
despite what you just said to everyone.
Yes. And we've got the pass that we've got to go over to drop down into the desert tomorrow. It's pretty brutal. There's a 5k on dirt climb, and the stones are a little bit bigger, so it's hard to get traction some places. So there could be a bit of off and walking and getting up to the top. But once we get down the other side, it's a huge. We drop 500-600 metres to get down onto the desert. So last 20 k's is a freebie, but it'll be a solid day out there tomorrow.
Awesome. I'm looking forward to it.
It should be good.